Hey friends, today I'll be sharing a creation using the Waffle Flower Sneak Peek Club Kit, which features items from the upcoming June release. Like my other sneak peek videos, I wanted to show you what's inside the kit. This kit is a monthly subscription service that lets you play with items from the upcoming release, and if you already subscribed, this would have shipped to you at the beginning of May, which is about a month before the June release. And if you subscribe today, you'll be receiving the sneak peek kit for July. Let's take a look at what's included in this kit, and as always, it comes in this pouch with the kit information right in front. In this kit, you'll get the mini sentiment stamp set, Hugging Hands die, oversized hugs print die, inside pop-up XO die, and the sub-sentiments hugs die cut. Also, Waffle Flower is doing a giveaway of the next kit on my blog, so be sure to stop by and leave a comment for a chance to win. My blog link will be in the description down below. Okay, now for the card. Everything that I use can only be found in this kit, but remember, these items are part of the new release, so if you're interested in anything, you can shop the new release in a couple of days in June. And again, if you sign up now, you'll be getting the next kit. I am trying to use every single piece of this kit, and I did almost succeed. I just was missing the mini sentiment stamp set. Because you saw the contents of this club kit, you'll know that I am doing a fully die cut card. I went ahead and die cut a couple of the inside pop-up XO dies, which is intended to kind of be put inside the card and it pops up, which you can tell from the one in the top left hand corner that you fold it and then you just glue it in the inside, and then it kind of folds out because it's a little square. And in the kit information they show a picture of how it works, but I'm literally using it for the XO die cuts, and I just trim it all down after I cut it out. I do cut this out on holographic paper because I think it's really pretty and it stands out nicely against the gray. It just works because the color kind of reflects in it too, and when I take photos it always kind of looks rainbowy. Anyway, I used my Misty ruler, which is a T-square ruler, and I just line it up. I create 2 rows of the XOXO. Then for the Hugging Hearts die, I went ahead and cut that out of red, and then I found like this beige brownish cardstock for the hands, which are connected, and I'll just cut those off, and that will be the hands that kind of wrap around this card. I think it will be really cute because I wanted the hug sentiment in the middle. I decided to go with a simple white for the hugs, and when I put it onto the card I thought it didn't really pop out, so I actually took the shadow piece of the oversized hugs print die that's included in the kit and used black as well, and I think that really pops. And I chose black because the sub-sentiments hugs die cut piece that you guys get in this kit is black with white font, and I thought that would look nice because it matches the larger hug sentiment. And also because of that, I decided to trim down my card panel just by 1/4 of an inch on the top and the bottom, so I can mat it on black and pull everything together. I am a huge fan of matting my cards. I do it almost all the time because I think it just adds that pop of color, and plus I have a ton of colored cardstock and this is how I use it up. So for the hearts, I'm going to line it up right in the middle, and then the hugs sentiment will go right in the middle on top of the hearts. And I had contemplated whether I wanted to use 1 or 2 of the hearts, but I thought the 2 hearts looked really cute together. I just put the hugs right in the middle, and then the hands will kind of overhang on my card panel, and I will trim it off because I cut extra just to make sure that I had enough space for it. But I also wanted to use the sub-sentiment hugs die cut. I picked out the and kisses because it was small enough to fit right between the hands that are kind of hugging this card panel, and it matches the hug sentiment, and I was just really happy with how it turned out. I actually haven't used the sentiments in these kits before, but it makes it so convenient. I really like them because you can choose and they're already stamped out. You don't have to do anything, you just kind of have to pop them apart. They are perforated, so it works really well. And with the hands, I just trimmed it off with the card panel. I wanted the hearts to overhang on the card panel as well. Usually with a A2 card, it can fit into the A2 envelopes, but then there's extra space. So even though these hearts are kind of overhanging my main card panel, it'll still fit into an envelope. At least I think so. And if not, I can just trim it down and make it fit. And the last thing I'm doing is I am popping this up on a piece of black cardstock, so I have that black border all around, and it just matches the sentiment and it matches the smaller sentiment and it pulls everything together. And I am so happy with how this card turned out. I wasn't expecting to really use this because it's more Valentine's geared, but it totally works for all occasions. I think it really is cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to stop by the blog and leave a comment for a chance to win, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!